All right, so I am answering a question, guys. Someone asked about a one and done strip. So basically, people think that some waxers can just, well, all waxers should just put the wax down, take it off, and all the hairs come up. That's not how it works. Every now and then, especially for the underarm services, we'll get a client where we don't require cleanups when we do a strip. But that's very rare. That's like 1 out of 10 people. You really have to be consistent with your waxing, drinking your water, exfoliating, all of that. I mean, we're going to try our best, but we would be rich if we can make it possible to take all the hairs off on one pull. Like, I'll be able to do a Pootie Papa wax in like 2 minutes. But look at this. No editing, quick dry time with this wax. Let's take it off and see. Boom, boom. Look at that. Damn near a one and done. I be trying my best now. Do a little something, something. You see them hairs? That's some mini carpet right there, guys. We'd love to see it. Follow up with a cleanup. It should be a very thin strip, so this wax can apply thin or thick, doesn't matter. Like, I really was hoping when I first reviewed this wax that I wouldn't like it, because I was like, it's my favorite color. If I like it, I'm gonna buy a bunch of it. And of course, I ended up falling in love with it. Jeez Louise. So stock up on this wax. So I'm getting ready for Christmas time. I'm getting ready for the holidays, Valentine's. I don't want to be fighting over people to get this wax. And if you haven't gotten your Pretty Kitty body oil and scrub, click the link in the bio so your underarms can look like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.